Hello everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So today's video is going to be different. So it's a review video, but it is a review on the Ardell Professional Magnetic Lashes. I've heard of magnetic eyelashes. I have never used them. I got these at HEB, which is a store by where I live, for $5. So I figured for $5 I'd go ahead and try them. I'm very curious to see. I'm not sure what I'm setting myself up for here, but if I can get the packages open. So obviously I did already do my makeup for the day, and I did put on a little bit of mascara already. Just because when I watched videos and I kind of did some research on these, all the videos that I was watching, it seemed like they worked better and looked better if you had mascara already on. So I did go ahead and put mascara on. This is what the inside looks like. It does come with this cool little applier thing in the bobber. It looks like that. And then you have an upper lash and a lower lash. Okay, so I do not know if I need to trim these. I might have to trim these. How do you get them out of the, oh, there we go, okay. Try not to break them. So you can definitely see the little magnets on them. Well, hopefully you can see. But they're not like super, they're not like super noticeable. Okay, let me see. I don't know. I'm just trying to see if I need to. Oh, no, I might not need to, I might not actually even need to trim these. Actually. Okay, so that top one is on. Now we're going to try and use oh yikes. Oh no, I don't know which one's which. If they work, I mean, I can already tell they definitely make a big difference. They're on my eye. I just don't quite. Ow, that was my eye that I just poked. Okay. These things work. Oh! Okay. It's on. Oh, whoa, that feels, okay. It is not on correctly, but it's on. Okay, now we're gonna try this again. Ah. Ow. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, they are. Oh, no. No, they're together. Okay. We almost had them. almost had them. Okay. Okay, so a good way, from what I can see, a good way to tell which ones go on the bottom and which ones go on the top is, I don't know if you can see that, is the upper ones right there, the magnets are black. The bottom ones, the magnets are actually pink. I don't know if you can see that, but the magnets are actually pink. And why is my camera doing that? My camera's giving me, okay. So it's trying to focus on that, that's why. Okay, so that works, that's good. Okay, because I was starting to, I had no idea which one was which until I saw the pink and the black. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this little doohickey thingy that they gave me that came with it. How do you, maybe. How do you, I don't know how to use it. Oh no, this is not going to go very well. Oh, this is going to go very badly. Ah, I dropped it. Oh no, okay. Am I using this little thing, tool thingy right? Probably not. Oh gosh, okay, this is not. Where do they go? This? Okay, so from far away, oh, that feels really weird on my eye. Okay, they feel fine, or look fine, but close up, they kind of look like a hot mess. I wonder, what if, okay. Okay, so I think I'm going to trim these guys, because okay. Alright, so guys, I'm going to trim these and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour. I trimmed both of the pairs and I do finally have them on my eyes. It was about an hour worth of fighting with them to get them on. So what I ended up doing was cutting off the very end magnet that goes into like the corner part of my eye. I cut that magnet off of each one, and then I just kind of put them, I started them on this side of my eye and then just brought them to like the middle part. So they're not on perfectly. This one here definitely is not on perfectly. You can tell that it's not it's not totally lined up where it needs to be. But all in all, they're not bad. They're not bad. It did take me about an hour worth of fighting with them to get them on. But I haven't done lashes in a really long time, and so that's just kind of part of learning. I think if I was to use them some more, I would definitely probably get better at putting them on. They at first feel a little funny on your eyes, but that's just because you have something there that you don't normally have and you're not used to having. I am already getting used to them, and it's starting to feel a lot more natural. So I definitely need to, oh my gosh, do you see this? Whew. Okay, so the lipstick that I got in the Color Pop, not transfer proof. Not at all. I got a big old mess going on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, yeah, but all in all, I don't mind them. They're not terribly bad. They're not. I definitely, for my eyes, had to trim them to get them to fit right. I definitely need to practice on getting them on there, you know, more straight. But for $5, I'm pretty impressed. I am pretty impressed. And once they are on and they are magneted together, they don't slide. Like, they do not slide. They're there. And when you take them off, they're a little tricky to get it off without hurting, because they definitely clamp down onto your eyes. I'm also going to try using them without using mascara first and see if maybe that might help a little bit. But I will do an update on these and let you know. But this is kind of my first impressions. Is they're not bad. They're not bad. And they do have different styles, and they were like $5, $6. So for the price point, they're not bad. So I just definitely need to work on learning how to use them a little bit more. But so yeah, and like I said, these were the Ardell Professional Magnetic Lashes. Oh my goodness, and I just got a big old mess all over me. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. And thank you very much for watching my video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. If you have, thank you so very much, and I really, really appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.